Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Talk. Today's story is called English at the Hotel. In this episode, we followed two travelers, Ella and Mark, as they spend one night at a hotel. You will hear their full hotel journey: check-in, resting, dinner, breakfast, and check-out. At the end of the story, we will have shadowing practice, listening Q&A, and personal Q&A. Are you ready? Let's begin. After a long day of travel, Ella and Mark arrive at their hotel.
Wow, this lobby looks beautiful.
Yeah, it's really nice. The lights are warm and the air smells fresh.
I love the soft music. It feels very relaxing.
Let's check in. The front desk is over there.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Riverstone Hotel. How can I help you?
Hi, we have a reservation. It's under the name Mark Rivera.
Let me check. Yes, Mr. Rivera. One night, one double room. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
May I see your passports, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Your room is 512 on the 5th floor. Breakfast is from 6:30 to 10 a.m. Checkout is at 12 p.m.
Great, thank you.
Here are your key cards. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
Ella and Mark walk to the elevator and go up to the 5th floor.
The hallway is so quiet.
Yeah, it's peaceful. Here it is, room 512.
They open the door. Wow, the room is clean and bright.
Look at the bed. It looks very comfortable.
And the view is amazing. You can see the river.
I'm going to take a quick shower.
Sure, I'll sit here and rest for a moment.
In the evening, they go to the hotel restaurant.
Excuse me, we'd like a table for two, please.
Of course. This way, please.
Everything looks delicious. I think I'll have the grilled chicken.
I'll get the pasta and maybe an orange juice.
I'll have a green tea.
Great. I'll bring your drinks first.
After a few minutes, their food arrives.
The chicken is so soft and tasty.
My pasta is really good too. The sauce is perfect.
So, what do you want to do tomorrow?
Maybe take a walk by the river before we travel again.
Sounds nice.
After dinner, they go back to their room.
I'm going to change into my pajamas.
Good idea. I'll make some tea.
Thanks. Let's sit by the window for a bit.
The city looks beautiful at night.
Yeah, it's peaceful. I'm getting sleepy.
Me too. Let's get some rest.
They turn off the lights and fall asleep. The next morning, they wake up feeling fresh.
Good morning. I slept so well.
Same here. Let's go to the buffet.
They arrive at the restaurant.
Wow, there's so much food. Eggs, fruit, bread, soup.
I'll get some eggs and toast.
I think I'll try the pancakes.
What's our plan after breakfast?
We'll check out and maybe visit the small cafe across the street.
Perfect.
After breakfast, they go to the front desk.
Good morning. We'd like to check out, please.
Of course. May I have your room number?
Room 512.
Thank you. Everything is all set. Would you like to leave your luggage here?
Yes, please. We'll pick it up in an hour.
No problem. Thank you for staying with us.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Have a great day.
And with that, Ella and Mark leave the hotel feeling happy and refreshed. Great job, everyone! Today, you learned useful hotel expressions for checking in, asking questions, ordering food, checking out. Now, let's practice. Repeat slowly after each sentence. We have a reservation. Can I have your passport, please? Your room is on the 5th floor. A table for two, please. Checkout is at 12 p.m. Thank you for staying with us. Listening Q&A. Test your understanding. What is the room number? What time is breakfast? What did they order for dinner? Where do they want to go after checkout? Personal Q&A. Speak about yourself. Have you ever stayed at a hotel? What do you usually eat for breakfast when traveling? Do you prefer a city view or a nature view? Take your time and answer in English. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing every day, and your English will improve. See you in the next story.